Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into one of the most feature-packed budget smartwatch, the Honor Choice BOT WB01. This watch brings a premium AMOLED display, Bluetooth calling and 120 workouts mode, built-in GNSS, 5 AMT water resistance and up to 12 days of battery life. So let us unpack this and we will see is the best budget-friendly smartwatch in the market right now, and let's find it today. So let me unbox it now and we'll see what's there in the box. So you can see in the box it's written 1.95 inch AMOLED ultra thin display, ultra long battery life. It has around 300 mAh of battery. It's HonorWatch choice watch. So you can see the model here. So the model is HonorWatch model BOT WB01. The color is black. So as you can see, theoretically it's 290 mAh battery. So it has 1.9 inch AMOLED ultra thin display, built-in multi-system GNSS. I will explain you about this in the later part of my video. So the comprehensive all-day health monitoring. So let us unpack this and we will see here. Here are the more details for this watch. Ultra long life battery, 5 AMT water resistance, system rich faces, Bluetooth calling, built-in multi-system GNS, comprehensive all-day health monitoring, 120 built-in workout modes and breathing exercise. So let me unpack and we'll show you what's there in the box. So in the box we'll be having one smartwatch. We will see what's there in the box. So we have some documentation, safety information, then we have the instruction manual. If you want, you can refer it to the later part. So here you have the charging cable. It's of USB type A and the charging plug. So this is the actual watch. So as you can see, it's 1.95 AMOLED ultra thin display. So we are doing an excessive deep dive into the Honor Choice watch model number BOT WB01. This device promises a premium experience with a massive 1.9 inch AMOLED screen, built-in GPS and Bluetooth calling, all without the flagship price tag. In this video, we are going to cover every single feature. Let's test the sensor accuracy and help to decide whether if you should be the next wearable or you. So let me open it. As you can see here, it's a plastic body. These are all the sensors. Here you will be connecting the charger. So this is the crown. So let me try to power it on. So you will be having a vibration now. So it says welcome. It's starting for the first time. So it's asking to select the language. Here Chinese, English, Arabic, French, Italian, so many other languages. So let me select the standard English. Set to English. To pair this watch with your mobile, scan this QR code with using your mobile. So I have scanned it and you can see I am able to see the Honor Health app. So I will tap install here. It's asking to sign in. So let me open the Play Store here and let me open the Honor Health. Tap to install. So the app is now getting installed. Hit continue. So by the time it installs, I will show you the design, how it looks. So let us start with the design. This model BOT WB01 features a large modern 49mm 1.9 inch square faced that looks much more expensive than it is. It's incredibly sleek with 10.2 mm thin and it weighs around 45 grams. So you can wear it all day and night without any wrist fatigue. The body feels premium metallic texture. Although the classic, it's a high strength plastic. It has a sophisticated matte finish that doesn't attract fingerprints. As you can see here, it doesn't attract any fingerprints. For durability, it rated a 5 AMT water resistance. So let me see whether the app has been installed. So the app has been installed. Let us pair it first, then I will show you the features what it's having. So meanwhile, it's It's water resistance, meaning it's ready to swim, surfing, or even in heavy rainstorm. It comes with 20mm skin friendly silicone strap, but it uses a standard detachable design. You can swap it out with any 20mm band you like to match your outfit. As you can see, this is the detachable wristband. You can just pull it out and you can change it easily. So it's easily detachable and you can install it back on, and you can change even the wristband color as you like. So let us pair it now. Let me turn on the Bluetooth. It's asking to agree. Let us hit agree. So it's asking enable physical activity permission. Let us hit enable. It's asking to give the permission. Honor wants to access the physical activity. Allow. So now let us add device. Let us add device now. It's asking to create the username, password. So we need to register for the app first. So hit register. Then you need to enter your email ID. So I will put my email ID and I will come back to you in a short while. Put your email ID here and hit send password. So you will be getting the password in your registered email ID. So now I will put the password. So now I'm putting the so now it's asking for the app, password and date of birth, everything. So let me put the password. So I have entered the password and date of birth. Now it's asking to agreement and finish. So let me hit agree. So it's asking to add device. We'll go to add device now. So it's asking to allow the location services. We'll hit customize. We'll hit skip as of now. We'll go only this time. Allow. Enable GPS. So we'll hit add device now. It's scanning now. Now as you can see, the honorwatch has been scanned successfully. So let me select it. Then it's asking honorwatch 100. Now to use the service of this device, you need to read the agreement, user agreement. Okay, let us agree. Now it's pairing on. Please confirm pairing on the wearable device. No. Pair with honor choice. Allow access your contacts and call history. So let us hit pair. Now it's pairing on. Now as you can see, the request pairing Redmi Note 10. It's okay. Now as you can see here, it's pairing successful. So it's asking which hand you will be wearing it. So the new version has been found. Let us ignore as of now. So it's asking left hand or right hand as your choice. So let me hit left hand because I will be wearing the watch in the left hand. So it's asking connected, automatically download updates package via WLAN, automatically install and restart this one. So let me not select automatically. So let us show me the updates, then we can install it. Hit complete. So for the notification, it's asking to enable the notification. Let us hit enable. Now it's asking to read all SMS, read notifications from instant message. Okay. Now let's go back and let us see the app, how it looks. Just asking the permission. So now it is showing updates available, version 8.2.37. The size is around 30 MB. So I will hit later. So this is the main interface of the app. Here you can see the watch has been what is showing here, that it's connected, it's 21% is the battery life, and these are the skins. So let me walk through the watch first, then I will show you this. The centerpiece of the watch is the 1.9-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 410 by 502 and a pixel density of 332 ppi. The text is razor sharp. What really makes it a premium is it's of 60 Hz refresh rate. It's very smooth. Most budget watches are locked at 30 Hz, but this is a buttery smooth when you are scrolling through the apps. It reaches a peak brightness of 550 nits, which is a plenty of outdoor visibility. One technical details, there is no ambient light sensor available in this watch, so you have to manually adjust the brightness from the level 1 to 5. You also got a beautiful always on display with a dynamic style, so you can check the time without lifting your wrist. So let us browse through the options which are all available. So it's a vibration mode, D&D is here, then alarm, brightness. You can adjust the brightness. So this is the maximum brightness what it is available now. This is the minimum brightness, so you can adjust the brightness. So this is the silent one, this is the torch. As you can see, this is having 550 nits of display brightness. We will go to the settings and we will see. So you can see this is of 50 Hz, 60 Hz refresh rate. So the screen watches, if I'm going to the screen watches, you can see screen watches urban style, always on display, home screen. You can check the notifications from, if you swipe from bottom to top, you can see the notifications. We'll go to the settings again and we will see what's available here. Sounds and vibrations. So you can go here, ringtone. If it is, you can adjust the volume. As you can hear, the volume. Vibrations, preferences, screen off, time rich. So let us see. Lock screen, when watch will automatically lock when it detects it's not in your wrist. Then energy saving mode, SOS call, voice updates, about, if you can see here, the model, version and the serial number you can see here. Exercise settings. You can change the watch faces. This looks more like Apple Watch face. So Honor has packed with a fully suite of health sensors. You get 24 hours heart rate monitoring, stress detection and SpO2 blood oxygen tracking. My favorite feature is one tap health measurement. In just 45 seconds, it takes a snapshot of your health rate, oxygen and stress all at once. For sleep, this watch is a scientific tracking system that identifies light, deep and REM sleep cycles. It even detects the record short afternoon naps, which may budget watches miss. Ladies also finds dedicated menstrual cycle tracking helpful for monitoring fertile window and period reminders. So if you are an athletic, you are going to love this. It supports 120 workout models and even auto detect 5 common activities: walking, running, cycling and rowing. But in the real games change is the built-in multi-system GNS. It connects to 5 major satellite systems: GPS, GNOS, Galileo, BDS and QZSS. It allows you to track your running and cycling routes accurately even if you leave your phone at home. After your session, you can check pro level data like a VO2 max, training load and recovering time to see how long you should rest before the next workout. So it has a built-in microphone and speaker. You can handle Bluetooth calls directly on your wrist. It's extremely convenient when you drive or working out. You can sync up to 10 favorite contacts through the app and quick dialing. So let us find out what are all menus available. These are all the notification panel. So if you swipe to the right, you will see activity records. If you send again, you will see the heart rate. If you see here, you can see the heart rate readings, SpO level, then stress measurement. So let us measure the SpO2 without wearing to the wrist. Let us see whether it gives any alert. So it's keep still, wear watch to measure. So it identifies whether you are wearing the watch on your wrist and now. So let me wear the watch to my wrist and let us hit measure and we will see. So I am now hitting remeasure now. Now it's saying it's measuring. So as you can see here, the sensors, so it's 90. Likewise, you can check all your activities. For safety, there is a SOS functions. Pressing the side button 3 times fast, it will call a preset emergency contact. Other tools includes a voice memo app to record through on the go. And so if you are sliding it to the right, you can see the activity records. heart rate monitoring sensor, SpO2, the stress level, and the sleep data. So let us hit again, and you can see here the menu here. You will find torch, you will find the timer, you will find the calculator, contacts, phone, settings, weather, favorite contacts, alarm, heart rate sensor, walking, workout modes. So let us go to the exercise: outdoor run, indoor run, outside walk, inside, indoor walk, outdoor cycle. So all 120 modes has been available here. So let me go back and let me saying it's less than 20% of the battery. So let us, you can adjust the music. Okay, you have the voice memo here, you have the compass. So let us select the voice memo and let's see. Hello Honor. So right now you are seeing it's getting recorded. So let me hit stop. So as you can see here, we will see. Let me play and show you more. I've increased the volume now. I will hear you again. So you need to be a bit more louder. So for the safety, there is an SOS functionality. Pressing the side button 3 times fast will call your preset emergency contact. Other tools include a voice memo, which I showed you now, to record throughout on the go, a remote shutter on your phone camera, and a very cool vibrating drainage. So what this means is when you are having a swim or into the bath session, so you can just hit the vibrating drainage, so it vibrates and take out all the excess water which is available in the speaker zone. So as you can see here, when I am lifting it, it's automatically sensing and pours on the display. So feature that shakes out any water trapped into the speaker after a swim. So it has calculator, voice memo, compass, flashlight, weather, DND mode, remote camera setter. So battery life, it's one of the strongest point. It has a 300 mAh battery. A full charge takes around 1.5 hours and will last around 12 days for typical use, or 9 days if you are having a heavy user. Even with the always on display active, you will get around 5 days of battery backup. So everything syncs to the Honor Health app, which is compatible with both Android and iOS. The app is clean and intuitive, offering over 100 personalized face washes in the pocket. From fitness focused design to classic analog watch. So in the conclusion, the Honor Choice watch is a triumph of valued engineering. It gives you the flagship AMOLED look and GPS precision without the heavy cost. It's perfect for fitness enthusiasts and anyone who wants a reliable, stylish, smart assistant. If you found this detailed guide helpful, hit like and subscribe.